What is sprain and strain? Sprains and strains, while sometimes used interchangeably, are not the same thing. A sprain is an injury to a ligament, the tough, fibrous tissue that connects bones to other bone. Ligament injuries involve a stretching or a tearing of this tissue. A strain, on the other hand, is an injury to either a muscle or a tendon, the tissue that connects muscles to bones. Depending on the severity of the injury, a strain may be a simple overstretch of the muscle or tendon, or it can result in a partial or complete tear.
If this is your first visit to our channel, subscribe here for more health videos and get energizing and advice on health.
Sprains. A sprain typically occurs when people fall and land on an outstretched arm, slide into base, land on the side of their foot, or twist a knee with the foot planted firmly on the ground. This results in an overstretch or tear of the ligaments supporting that joint. Common types of strains. 1. Ankle sprains. The ankle is one of the most common injuries in professional and recreational sports and activities. Most ankle sprains happen when the foot abruptly turns inward inversion or outward eversion as an athlete runs, turns, falls, or lands after a jump. One or more of the lateral ligaments are injured. 2. Wrist sprains. Wrists are often sprained after a fall in which the athlete lands on an outstretched hand. Signs and symptoms of sprains. The usual signs and symptoms of a muscle sprain include pain, swelling, bruising, and the loss of functional ability, the ability to move and use the joint. Sometimes people feel a pop or tear when the injury happens. However, these signs and symptoms can vary in intensity, depending on the severity of the sprain. Strains. A strain is caused by twisting or pulling a muscle or tendon. Strains can be acute or chronic. An acute strain is caused by trauma or an injury such as a blow to the body. It can also be caused by improperly lifting heavy objects or overstressing the muscles. Chronic strains are usually the result of overuse, prolonged, repetitive movement of the muscles and tendons. Common types of strains. 1. Back strain. 2. Hamstring strains. 3. Tendinitis, inflammation of a tendon. Signs and symptoms of strains. Typically, people with a strain experience pain, muscle spasm and muscle weakness. They can also have localized swelling, cramping, or inflammation and, with a more severe strain, some loss of muscle function. Patients typically have pain in the injured area and general weakness of the muscle when they attempt to move it. Severe strains that partially or completely tear the muscle or tendon are often very painful and disabling.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit a like, turn on the notifications and enjoy receiving more from Healthy Life fame. Hoping to see you next time.